तो हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल रॉकी गेमर। तो आज जो गाइज हमारे पास है हॉट व्हील्स मॉन्स्टर ट्रक सीरीज न्यू 2020 इंक्लूड्स कार क्रशेबल कार and slit smashers, die cast metal body. There are more things like this here, and so let's unbox it and see which is the includable car which is crushable. Very excited for it. So as you can see, this is the crushable car, and this is the Hot Wheels monster truck Operation Storm. So see the wheels of this, very nice. If it tilted like this, so it will go in this direction. Very nice thing. And body, matte metal body. Oh, suspensions too included. See, very nice quality. And this is the crushable car, so let's make it. It seems good, guys. So as you can see, this is I'm making the crushable car. So this is the crushable car, guys. It's very nice. And as you can see, this is the crushable car. If you put the Hot Wheel on it, it will just crush it. So let's see it, guys. So as you can see, it's very nice car. As you can see there, it is written that it's crushable very only, so it's very hard to crush. Guys, as you can see, guys, I'm trying it again, guys. Finally this is crushed, guys. See. So very nice car. This one is very good with suspensions. See, very nice. So guys, for now this only. Bye bye.